In the previous video, we created a S3 bucket that will serve as a foundation of banking data rake. But creating that S3 bucket, which is the banking data rake 2608, is like the first step. Now, as the data move through our platform that we are building, which is this one, we will be able to have different stages. Like data will come from our Postgres, as they are, we will store them in the raw form in the raw format or the stage of the rows, and later we'll process them by perform some cleaning and do the validations, and later we'll do another action of the created, which is the one that we are going to be using on the visualization of our banking data. So let's go ahead and quickly create some data rakes here. So we'll start with creating the first one and name it low. So here we don't need to specify an encryption key. This one is created. Once it is created, it brings that slash at the end. We can keep it like that. Another one is the first one that we created of low. We receive our banking informations from the Postgres as they are. Later we will do some cleaning, and once we do the cleaning, we will store those cleaned data which are well validated into the processed data. So once we are ensured that our data are ready to be going for the visualization, for the being stored on the warehousing using the Redshift, and later for the visualization, we'll go ahead and put them in the created data rake, which will be the final data rake that to be connected on the Redshift for the data warehouse, and later being used by the Amazon QuickSight. So at this point, our data rake is still empty, but the structure is now ready, and this structure is pointed because as the project grows, we will always know where data belongs. Like raw data will not be mixed with the transformed data, and the transformed data will not be mixed with the data sets from the created that have already been prepared for the analytics. So this makes the pipeline easier to understand, maintain, and troubleshoot as the way we will be building this platform. So now we have the foundations of the Amazon S3 data rake. We are going to go ahead and proceed with the interesting topic where we are going to upload those banking data rake, banking data that we have created into the Amazon S3, which will be coming and go here on this low zone section. So because the reason why it will go in the raw zone part is because that they are not well validated. Only the cleaned and validated data will come in the processed zone. So thanks for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and comment any issues that you might be having, or any kind of feedback is highly welcomed. So go ahead and do the subscribe, and we meet in the next part where we are going to upload those banking data into the Amazon S3. See you in the next part.